Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new records from Knack to Google Sheets? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new records in Knack and then automatically sync them over as new rows in Google Sheets. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Knack account. After your account is connected, select the object that you want to sync from. Then select the Auto Increment field in the dropdown. If an option for this field does not appear in the dropdown, you can add it in Knack by creating a new field with the Auto Increment field type. Return to zzBots. You will now find it as an option in the dropdown. Next, set up the connection with your Google Sheets account. After your account is connected, select the spreadsheet and the worksheet that you want to sync to. After all required fields are selected, click Next and Install Now. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. In Google Sheets, the following example worksheet has the first name, last name, email, and phone number in columns A through D. In Knack, this example object has the same corresponding fields. In zzBots, to finish setting up your bot, expand the Add New Row in Spreadsheet step, as shown here. You will insert the value of the corresponding Knack fields into each Google Sheets column. This example shows columns A through D, but this can be customized to any number of fields and columns. After you finish configuring your bot, hit Save. After you save your bot, enable it. You can test this sync by adding a few new records in Knack. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new records from Knack to Google Sheets. As you can see here, the new Knack records successfully synced over to Google Sheets as new rows. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.